The English Journey. In a small village where no one spoke English lived a young boy named Hillel Khan. One day, his father Musa Khan gave him a book with English words. The letters looked strange, but Hillel Khan was determined to learn. At first, it was difficult. The words made no sense, and he made many mistakes. But he never gave up. He read signs, listened to English programs, and even spoke with tourists. Slowly, his confidence grew. Each mistake was a step toward learning. Years later, Hillel Khan became a tour guide, helping visitors explore his beautiful village. Learning English wasn't just about words. It was about patience, practice, and passion. Your journey begins today. Keep learning, keep growing.